This is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you have an ironing board that's maybe full of stains or it's just really worn out, then it's time to replace the cover with this one from the happhom store. It's 15 by 54 inches with elastic edges. I like the elastic edges that it's super easy to conform to your board. There's no additional cords hanging down around it. This is the soft gray color, and it has these illustrative little flowers on it, so that way it gives it a little bit of character but not too many distracting colors. Overall, the material does feel durable and it has a nice thickness to it. On the part that you use for ironing is really nice and smooth, and the underside has more of that thickness and that you might almost say like fuzzy side to it that goes right on top of the metal and then gives it a cushion. This ironing pad will not only keep your clothes protected, your ironing board protected, and it looks super cute too, but that's just my point of view.